How to update Outlook password on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, in the search bar search for Microsoft. Now, on the Microsoft account page, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then, go to Security as shown. This will take you to the security dashboard for your account. Here, you can manage your sign-in options, view recent activity, and update your security settings. Tap on the Change Password option located at the top of the page. You will be redirected to the Change Your Password screen. On this page, enter your new password in the first field. Then, re-enter the same password in the second field to confirm it. Once you've entered the new password, tap the Save button at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily update Outlook password on an iPhone.